afternoon, teacher. We will make our presentation.
Hi, my name is Petra. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Adriana. What car and do you study?
I study like I do.
That is great. Where in Zambrat? Y bueno, antes, what are our class dialogue? Gracias.
Yes.